Hey everyone, it's twistyceives, and this is Jose, and he works at
Blues Angel Music.
Blues Angel Music. I love it so much. It's such a cool little place. And here at Blues Angel Music, you have something that you don't see very often. If you want to step aside, we can show the audience. We have a fish tank and a drum set. Now, that's something that you don't see very often, Jose. Is that right?
Yeah, I've only ever seen this one, actually.
That's the same. I can honestly say that's the same story right here. I walked in those doors, and I was like, what is this? So, how long have you guys had this fish tank here?
It's probably been about 7 years now.
7 years?
Yeah, the TV show Tanked came in. The episode's called Rock and Roll Eruption, but yeah, they built this fish tank for us.
Dude, so a TV show came in and built this tank for you guys?
Yeah, the TV show Tanked is on Animal Planet.
So how much work is this to take care of, to be honest?
It's a lot of work. Actually, Nan, the owner, it's almost, would be a full-time job for any other person, but she does. But, yeah, this takes up a lot of time. You've got to clean the tanks. You've got to feed the fish. You've got to make sure the pumps are working, and that, it takes weekly maintenance.
How many times have you come in and there's been a mess that you had to clean up because this thing is just so much work?
Quite a few times.
So what's the worst story?
The worst story is over one of the holidays. I want to say it was Thanksgiving or something like that. The pumps actually stopped working.
Really?
Yeah, so they luckily were just so happened to stop by Nan and Jim, the owners, and they came in and the pumps weren't working and they were actually backing up and there's water everywhere. So
everywhere? Like how big of a mess?
It was a lot. It was everywhere. So they had to spend I think it was Thanksgiving, cleaning up a fish tank. So it's part of it.
They had to spend their Thanksgiving cleaning up this massive mess because this thing is just so high maintenance. And did you guys ever find out why it wasn't working?
It just happens, the system being that old, that's running every day, components wear out over time, and, the pumps need to be replaced every couple of years.
So how long have you been working here?
I've been, March will be 5 years.
5 years, dude. And why do you like working here that much?
The community is nice, and family atmosphere. I've grown up shopping here since I was a kid.
Really?
Yeah, Jim's been open since I think '97. So
holy moly! So this is like a part of the community.
For sure.
Is like people like it here.
Yeah, the musicians in the area, they know that this is the place to shop. So.
Yeah, and I can tell you guys got a really great vibe. You got a lot of great products in here.
Thank you.
And it's just fantastic. Well, hey man, it was great talking to you, Jose.
Likewise,
nice to meet you. Look, this is gonna go up on YouTube. I will send you a link, and you can watch it yourself. Okay, man.
Okay.
All right, man, bro.
That's good, bro.
Peace out. Go back to work, bro.
Excuse me, sir, you're not allowed to play. Sir, come back here. Sir, I'm sorry, can you please, sir, come back. I'm sorry.
This is Officer Smiegelbottoms in pursuit of a Caucasian male, early 20s, with black pants, gray coat, and fabulous brown hair, requesting immediate backup, a corner of deep in skin, over.
I made it. I'm safe. Anyway, all that matters is I got to play that piano. Anyway, that was Blue Angels Music, and it's a little music store over in Pensacola, Florida. Fantastic little place. I really loved it there. And a big thanks to Jose for answering my questions and giving me a roundabout of the place, and also giving me a roundabout of the fish tank drum set, which is by far the coolest thing I've seen in a very, very long time. Definitely the most interesting conversation I've had yet, and I look forward to having more interesting conversations. But for right now... Wait, whose house is this?